Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to help you wrap a gift basket like a pro. So you'll need a basket or a crate, some tissue paper, crinkle shreds, the items that you want to put in your basket, and today we're doing our delicious huckleberry items, cello wrap, this is a 36 by 5 feet, a bow, and some clear tape. So I start with some tissue paper. This helps make a nice base for your product to sit in. If you just use crinkle shreds, some of your heavy stuff will fall all the way through. By doing this, you make a nice soft base, but sturdy. So after you get a tissue paper base, I like to put more tissue paper towards the back. Then you want to open up your shreds and cover up that tissue paper. Now that you added your shreds, start with your largest items you put in the gift basket first, towards the back, and your smaller ones towards the front. Once you have your basket arranged, roll out your cellophane and put your basket in the middle of the cellophane. Now take your cellophane from the back and the front and bring it up together to a point. Now you're ready to fold in the side. Once you have the top, take a piece of tape and you're going to take the end and tape it up either underneath the product or if you have a taller basket on the side of the basket. Then you're going to fold in the back side first, and if you want, you can put a little piece of tape there to hold it. Then do the front side and pull it towards the back. If you feel like your top is too long, just trim it before you tuck it in. Starting from the back, gather your edges and bring them towards the center. Then gather your front edges. Now secure the top with a pretty bow. We have one that's used Chanel, so it's just real easy and pretty to affix it to the top, holding all your cellophane together. Fancy up your bow, and you have a beautiful gift basket. Gift baskets are great all year round. They're great for hostess gifts, kids' auctions, Easter baskets, or just a gift for a friend.